Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to take a white picture on your camera by iOS or iPhone. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and to take a white picture we need to access the camera. So to access the camera we need to slide the screen into the left side until we are in the app library. In this app library you just need to type camera, and after you find it you just need to click it, and now we have an access on our camera. So to take a white picture we need to go into this section, and after that we need to go in this part to change the ratio. So for 2:3 here is the ratio that we have now, and to take a white picture we need to click this, and after that you just need to jump into the 16:9, and now you already have the white video. When you are in this 16:9, your camera will be automatically zoomed compared to the 4:3. See that? You can see the difference, right? So that's the way how to create or how to take a white photo. Just need to go change the ratio from the 4:3 into 16:9, and after that just go click this part to take a picture, and that's all. So that's the way how to take a white photo on a iOS or iPhone. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.